How to install base plate of your truss just like this. Look at this video. Hello fabricators, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are showing how to install a bottom plate in our truss. First of all, look at this truss. Okay guys, now we have to find out our columns center to center marking. Then we have to again come here. So guys, this is our column, and we have another column in that opposite side. We have to find out center to center measurement of these two columns. So we have 15 meters measurement tape. Let's find out the center to center marking of the column. So the center to center column's measurement is 7 meter 330. Okay, 7 meter 330. Now let's go to the truss size. Now we have to check our truss full length measurement of bottom side, that is 7 meter 490 mm. Then we have to mark a center marking 3 मीटर 750 पकड़ 3 मीटर 745. Yeah, now here to last point 3 meter 665. ये तू इकडे आता तू इथे पकडायचा टेप सेंटर मार्किंग. Now we have marked center to center marking 3 meter 665 mm. Now we have to take a plate. First of all, we have to see how much is the surface of this truss is 100 mm. So let's take the plate. Now you have to find out center of between two holes. The measurement is 110. We looked out for 55 mm. Also the another side we have to mark 55 mm from holes end. Okay, now let's mark the line between two markings. Okay, now how much is our truss surface measurement is 100 mm. Then we have to mark from center 50 mm right side and 50 mm left side. Okay, you have to mark twice for marking. Okay, this is very careful. Okay, just like this. Okay, you can see what is the purpose of these two markings. Okay guys, okay, that was the perfect position. Now we have to look out for another center of plate. Our 3 meter 665 marking position is this. Please look out very careful. Okay, center to center hole 55 mm. Okay, now here is also we have to mark 55 mm. Okay, now just take a plate and place in your truss just like this. Is a very simple bro, but you have to understand all those things. Okay, now call your welder and go for taking welding.